Samsung The Freestyle Plus Review 2026, a smarter portable projector. The Samsung The Freestyle Plus SPLFF3HLAXXZA is a premium portable projector designed to bring a big screen entertainment experience to almost any room. Samsung has taken the successful concept behind its Freestyle projector family and upgraded it with higher brightness, AI-powered image optimization, automatic setup features, Full HD resolution, HDR support, and the company's Tizen Smart TV platform. Unlike conventional home theater projectors that require a fixed installation, the Freestyle Plus is designed to be moved easily. Its compact design and flexible stand allow users to project content onto walls, screens, and even ceilings. With support for screen sizes up to **100 inches**, it can turn a bedroom, living room, or outdoor space into a temporary home theater. The projector is positioned as a premium lifestyle product, with Samsung listing the US model at $1,199.99 Full HD resolution and improved brightness the Samsung The Freestyle Plus uses. DLP projection technology and delivers a native *1920x1080 Full HD resolution Although it does not offer native 4K resolution, Full HD remains suitable for streaming movies, TV shows, sports, presentations, and casual gaming. One of the most important improvements over previous Freestyle models is brightness. Samsung rates the Freestyle Plus at *430 ISO lumens providing a noticeably brighter image than earlier generations. The increased brightness makes the projector more practical for everyday indoor viewing. However, 430 ISO lumens is still relatively modest compared with dedicated home theater projectors. For the best image quality, the Freestyle Plus should be used in a dark or controlled light environment. Strong daylight or bright room lighting can reduce contrast and make the projected image appear washed out. The projector also supports HDR, HDR1, O+, and HLG, allowing compatible content to benefit from improved highlights, contrast, and color reproduction. Samsung's picture processing technologies further enhance the viewing experience. AI OptiScreen simplifies projector setup. One of the Freestyle Plus's most interesting features is its AI OptiScreen system. Samsung has designed the projector to automatically handle many of the adjustments that normally require manual setup. The system includes real-time focus, 3D keystone, screen fit, obstacle avoidance, and wall calibration Together, these technologies make the projector much easier to use when its position changes. Real-time focus helps maintain a sharp picture when the projector is moved, while 3D keystone automatically corrects distortion caused by angle projection. Screen fit helps adjust the image to the available projection area, while obstacle avoidance can detect objects that interfere with the projected image. Wall calibration is also useful when projecting onto a wall rather than a dedicated projector screen. These automated features make the Freestyle Plus particularly appealing to users who want a simple plug-and-play projector without spending time adjusting image geometry. Flexible 30 to 100-inch projection. The Freestyle Plus supports screen sizes from approximately *30 inches up to 100 inches depending on the distance between the projector and the projection surface. Its distinctive rotating stand allows users to change the projection angle quickly. You can point the projector toward a wall for a traditional movie setup or angle it upward for ceiling viewing. This flexibility makes the Freestyle Plus ideal for bedrooms, apartments, dorm rooms, small living spaces, and occasional outdoor entertainment. However, prospective buyers should remember that the projector does not have an integrated battery Although it is portable in terms of size and weight, it still requires an external power source. Tizen Smart TV experience. Another major strength is Samsung's integrated **Tizen operating system **. Instead of functioning solely as a display device, the Freestyle Plus provides a smart TV experience directly through the projector. Users can access supported streaming services and Samsung's smart entertainment ecosystem without necessarily requiring an external streaming stick. Wireless screen mirroring and connected device features also make it easy to share content from compatible smartphones and other devices. The projector is also designed to work with Samsung's broader ecosystem, including SmartThings and compatible accessories. For consumers already using Samsung products, this integration can make the Freestyle Plus more convenient. # built-in 360-degree speaker. Samsung equips the Freestyle Plus with a **5W 360-degree speaker**, providing audio in multiple directions. This is particularly useful for portable viewing because users don't always need to carry a separate speaker. For serious movie enthusiasts, however, an external soundbar or dedicated speaker system will still provide better bass, volume, and overall sound quality. ## connectivity and long-lasting LED light source. Connectivity includes *** micro HDMI, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.2 ***. While HDMI EARC support makes it possible to connect compatible external audio equipment. The projector uses an LED light source rated for up to ** 20,000 hours ***, reducing the need for frequent lamp replacement. This makes the Freestyle Plus convenient for long-term ownership and everyday entertainment. ## Samsung The Freestyle Plus price and verdict. At $1,199.99, the Samsung The Freestyle Plus is clearly positioned as a premium portable projector. Its price reflects more than its projection hardware. Samsung is also selling convenience, smart TV functionality, AI-assisted setup, portability, and integration with its wider ecosystem. The projector's biggest advantages are its **430 ISO lumen brightness, full HD image, AI OptiScreen technology, automatic focus and keystone correction, Tizen Smart Platform HDR support, flexible design, and built-in 360-degree audio ***. However, it is not the ideal choice for everyone. The lack of native 4K resolution, absence of an internal battery, and relatively high price may push some buyers toward competing projectors. Overall, the *** Samsung The Freestyle Plus ** is an excellent choice for users who value convenience and flexibility above raw specifications. It is especially attractive for bedrooms, apartments, casual gaming, streaming, and portable movie nights. If you want a projector that can be moved, positioned, and configured with minimal effort, Samsung's latest Freestyle Plus is one of the most interesting premium lifestyle projectors to consider in 2026.